Today we are performing practical number 2, which is build the logic circuit on the breadboard to check the De Morgan's theorem. What are the practical significance? A mathematician named De Morgan developed a pair of important rules regarding the group of complementation in Boolean algebra. He developed many concepts that make Boolean logic work in electronics. He started two laws. AND gate with inverted output behaves as a same as a OR gate with the inverted input. OR gate with inverted output behaves as same as AND gate with inverted input. De Morgan's law are very powerful tools for grouping and ungrouping logical statements. It is used to simplify the logic expression. Here we are getting the first De Morgan's theorem. It states that the complement of the product is variable is equal to the sum of complements of individual variables, which means A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So we are using NAND gate is equal to bubbled OR gate for this purpose. How to implement this logic? Here we are having two symbols, NAND gate and bubbled OR gate. Okay. NAND gate having A and B input, which is giving the output of A dot B bar, and bubbled OR gate having A and B input. After bubbled, he is giving the A bar B bar, so we are getting the OR gate output is the A bar plus B bar. What is the De Morgan's second theorem? It states that the complement of the sum of variable is equal to the product of complements of individual variables, which means A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. For that purpose, we are required NOR gate is equal to bubbled AND gate. In this, NOR gate having two input A and B, which is giving the output after bubbled is A plus B bar. NOR gate giving the output is A plus B bar. Then bubbled AND gate having two input, which is A and B, and after AND gate it gives the A bar dot B bar. In these gates, what is the connection in the IC? Particular NAND gate IC, OR gate IC, AND gate IC, NOR gate IC, how it can be connected to each other. What is the circuit diagram for this De Morgan's theorem? Here we are giving the circuit diagram in the manual. So for the first law, De Morgan first law, we are having diagram here, LHS and RHS purpose. Okay, we are using three ICs. First one is NAND IC, which is used for LHS purpose. Then NOT IC and OR IC. NOT and OR IC are combined to get the bubbled OR gate. Okay, so we are using NOT gate IC to combine with OR gate. So here is the circuit diagram. LHS purpose, we are having the A dot B bar. So we are using in the IC only one NAND gate, and we are having A and B input, and we are getting the A dot B bar output, which is simple, very simple LHS. So this is the circuit diagram for LHS. And for RHS, we are using single OR gate, and that OR gate having A and B input, but that input is given through the NOT gate IC. Here we are giving the NOT gate IC's input. A in the NOT gate IC, pin number 1 is having input and pin number 2 having output. So pin number 1 A input is given to the pin number of the OR gate input, which is giving A bar input, and then second NOT gate using for P bar input. Okay, we are using any OR gate connection in the OR gate IC, so we are getting the output at A bar plus B bar. So we are getting LHS and RHS in the connection. Same as for implementation of the De Morgan's second law. In that we are having LHS here, which is using the IC 7402, giving the A and B input, and we are getting the A plus B bar. Okay, which is the NOR gate IC 7402, and then we are using 7408 NAND gate IC, which is combined with 7404 NOT gate IC. So we are getting the bubbled AND gate. So through the same as the above, we are using NOT gate A and B input, which is giving the output of the A bar and B bar, giving to the AND gate IC as an input to the AND gate. So we are getting the output as A bar dot B bar. So we are proven the De Morgan's second law also. So simple connections are there. These connection we are implementing on the breadboard using the regulated DC power supply required for this connection, then breadboard, then LED, then resistor 330 ohm we are required for this, and IC 7404, 7408, 7400 and 7432. These RCs are required for this connection on the breadboard. Let's start the connections on the breadboard and prove the De Morgan's theorem.